Unlock the hidden potential of niche market with Google Ads. Ever wonder how small businesses dominate their niche using Google Ads? Stay tuned to learn the secret that skyrocket your business. Why Google Ads are a game changer for niche markets. Did you know Google Ads can help even the smallest business reach highly targeted audience? In today's video, we will explore how Google Ads can be a powerful tool for niche marketer to help you out of your advertising budget. Hi, I'm Chaitanya. On this channel, I will dive deep into strategy that help small businesses. If you are looking to grow your niche business using Google Ads, you are in the right. Google Ads is not just for big corporations with massive budget. It's a game changer for small businesses and solopreneurs who want to make big impact in their specific market. By leveraging Google Ads, you can connect with potential customers who are actively searching for what you offer. Whether you are a local store owner or specialized local service provider, Google Ads can help you reach right people at right time. If you are ready to unlock the potential of your niche market and take your business to new heights, stick around. We are about to dive into some actionable tips and strategies that will transform how you approach online advertising. Mastering Google Ads for niche markets. The first one is understanding your niche audience. Before we dive into the nuts and bolts of Google Ads, it's crucial to understand your niche audience. Knowing their needs, behaviors, and online habits will help you create effective ad campaigns that resonate with them. Conduct through market research to identify your target demographics. You can use tools like Google Analytics to gather insight about your audience online behavior. Second point is keyword research for niche market. Choosing the right word is a critical step in setting up a successful Google Ad campaign. For niche market, focusing on long-tail keywords specific to your industry or product can help you reach highly targeted audience. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find keywords that have high search score and relation. And remember, it's not just about getting traffic, it's about to getting the right kind of traffic. The third point is crafting compliant ad copy. Once you've chosen your keyword, it's time to craft compliant ad copy. Your ad copy should speak directly to your audience, needs, and pain points. Highlight what makes your offering unique and why they should in your ads, guiding viewers toward the next step they should take. Fourth point, setting up targeted campaign. One of the best things about Google Ads is ability to set up highly targeted campaign. You can utilize your targeting to the reach audience in specific location, divide targeting to reach user on specific device, and demographic targeting to reach people on certain age group, genders, or other demographic factors. Experiment with different ad format like search ad, display ad, and video ads to see what works best for your niche. The fifth point is monitoring and optimizing your ads. Once your ads are live, the work is not over. It's important to continuously monitor their performance using the Google Ads dashboard. Keep a close eye on metrics like click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, and cost per click. It means CPC. Optimize your campaign by adjusting bids, refining keywords, and tweaking ad copy based on performance data. Remember, Google Ads is not a set it and forget it tool. It requires regular monitoring and adjustment to ensure you are getting the best ROI. In conclusion, mastering Google Ads for niche market involves understanding your audience, conducting keyword research, crafting compliant ad copy, setting up targeted campaign, and regularly monitoring and optimizing your ads. With these strategies in hand, you are well on your walk unlocking hidden potential of niche market with Google Ads. Okay, let's recap the key strategies we have covered today. First, we talk about the importance of understanding your niche audience. Knowing their needs and behavior is the crucial for creating effective campaign. Next, we dive into keyword research, emphasizing the value of focusing on long-tail keyword specific to your niche. We also discuss crafting compliant ad copy that speaks directly to your audience needs and include a strong call to action. It means CTA. Setting up targeted campaign was another essential point where we explore the benefits of geo-targeting, device targeting, and demographic targeting. Finally, we highlighted the importance of continuously monitoring and optimizing your ads to ensure peak performance. One key insight is the necessity of ongoing optimization. Your Google Ads campaign is not a one-time setup. It requires regular tweaks based on performance data to keep delivering results. I encourage you to share your thoughts and experience with Google Ads in the comments below. Your insight could help other members. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on growing your small businesses. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy advertising. Bye.